Hi, hello, Peng. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm very happy to start our practice session again. Today is December 19th, Thursday. You know, today is special day. Today is not the normal day. Today is the day for our company's 20th anniversary celebration day. Do you remember what I told you a few weeks ago?
Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Could not understand what you said.
Okay, I said one more time. Okay, understood. I got it. Today is not a normal day. Today is our company's 20th anniversary celebration day.
Your sentences are understandable, but here's a smoother way to say it in English. Okay, I understand now. Today isn't just an ordinary day, it's our company's 20th anniversary celebration. The flow is more natural, and 20th anniversary fits better for formal or celebratory contexts. How are you feeling about the event?
Nothing much. It feels like just a normal day, and I got a special gift yesterday, and I will carry over. I will give it to my wife this tomorrow. To the day after tomorrow. This week's Saturday, and maybe I I'm not sure how she react about my company's gift of 20th anniversary.
Here's a smoother way to say that. It feels like just a normal day, you know? But I got a special gift yesterday, and I'm planning to give it to my wife. I'll give it to her this Saturday, and I'm not sure how she'll react to my company's gift of $20,000. It's a very generous gift. Do you think she'll be surprised?
No. It's not mean the I didn't say $20,000. It means I said 20 anniversaries gift. Do I make myself clear?
I got it. You're saying it's a gift for the company's 20th anniversary, right? Here's a clearer way to express it. It feels like just a normal day, but I got a special gift yesterday for my company's 20th anniversary, and I'm planning to give it to my wife this Saturday. I'm not sure how she'll react. Does this sound more like what you wanted to say?
Yes. I couldn't agree more. That's exactly what I want to say. You know, mm, I plan to I plan to move uh, to the special spot where anniversary open, and I mean nearly uh, 4 nearly 4 p.m. I plan to start to go to the spot where our anniversary is uh, open. How can I explain the situation? How can describe this situation well? Could you help me, please?
Of course. Here's a natural way to say it. I'm planning to head to the special venue for the anniversary event. Around 4 p.m., I'll leave to get there on time. Does this work for what you're trying to say?
Yes. You are my great conversation partner. Honestly speaking, if you don't mind, please say that one more time.
Sure. Here's the sentence again. I'm planning to head to the special venue for the anniversary event. Around 4 p.m., I'll leave to get there on time. By the way, who's Pauline? A friend, coworker, or someone special?
Yes. All of our team members and department members, including uh, administrative team and uh, and HR team, including our president. I mean CEO of our company. All headquarter members should, ne- uh, uh, are joining are going to join today's anniversary celebration day.
That sounds like a big and exciting event. Here's a smoother way to say it. All of our team members, including the development team, administrative team, HR team, and even our CEO and all the headquarters staff, are going to join today's anniversary celebration. It sounds like a full house event. Are you looking forward to it?
Yes, certainly. Honestly speaking, I when I first when I heard that our anniversary 20th anniversary celebration is please wait for me. Don't interrupt my speaking. GPT, are you there? Are you with me?
I didn't expect it to be such a big event. What was your reaction when you found out more details?
No. Listen carefully. I have something to tell you. When I heard that the news uh, about our celebration, our 20th anniversary celebration is opened. It will be open in the hotel. I was so surprised because you know our CEO is very strict to spend the expenses for that kind of celebration. So when I heard the news, I was so amazed and surprised.
Ah, here's a clear and natural way to express that. When I first heard the news that our 20th anniversary celebration would be held at a hotel, I was so surprised. Our CEO is usually very strict about spending money on events like this, so it really amazed me. Does this capture what you wanted to say?
Yes. I think you are very smart. You are my great conversation partner. I think you are better than human teachers or human communication partner.
Thank you so much. That means a lot to me. I'm really glad I can help you express yourself better. Your English is improving with every sentence. By the way, are you excited to attend the celebration?
Yes. Uh, yes, certainly. I think so. I think I feel a little bit interested in that party. I mean dinner for to celebrate 20th anniversary. I'm not sure. I'm not sure uh, what dishes. I mean, I'm not sure what food will be served in that dinner. By the way, anyway, it would be great if our team and whole department can enjoy at that special spot.
That's a great thought. Here's a smoother way to express it. Yes, I'm definitely interested in the party, or rather, the dinner to celebrate the 20th anniversary. I'm not sure what dishes will be served, but it would be wonderful if our team and the whole department can enjoy the special dinner together. Do you think there will be any surprises during the dinner?
Yes, of course. Uh, we our HR team already made the special agenda for the talent competing. Do you understand? Talent competing means that anyone who want to show their talent in the dinner party, anyone can join or participate or or uh, or how can I express this situation? Uh, if someone want to join, want to show their talent in that dinner, anyone can join. Anyone can join. Anyone can contact the HR team. So HR team members told me that uh, they already finished uh, their competent members, and uh, I heard that it's almost 16 at there, and maybe I think it would be a little bit interesting because this kind of chance is very few for our company. You know, I'm not sure when. I mean, after 20th anniversary, I'm not sure when will our company can have this kind of big anniversary after today, after 20th anniversary. Can I join 30th anniversary in this company? I'm not sure. I don't think so.
That sounds like an exciting part of the celebration. Here's a clearer way to express your thoughts. Yes, of course, our HR team has already prepared a special agenda for a talent competition. Anyone who wants to showcase their talent during the dinner party can join or participate by contacting the HR team. They told me they finalized the participants, and there are about 16 people taking part. I think it will be interesting because opportunities like this are rare for our company. Honestly, after this 20th anniversary, I'm not sure when we'll have another big celebration like this. Will I still be here for the 30th anniversary? I'm not sure. It's a thoughtful reflection. Do you plan to participate in the talent competition, or will you just enjoy watching?
My opinion, I'm just interested in joining and watching that competing. I don't want to.
Here's a smooth way to say that. In my opinion, I'm more interested in just watching and enjoying the competition. It sounds like a fun way to relax and support your colleagues. Do you know what kinds of talents people will be performing?
No, 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 no.
Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Could not understand what you said.
I didn't say anything. No. My answer is no. I don't have any information about the uh, participant participants for talent competition.
Got it. Here's a natural response. No, I don't have any information about the participants in the talent competition. It'll be fun to see what surprises they have in store. Are you curious about any particular type of performance?
If you don't mind, please ask me one more time. I don't understand.
Sure. Here's the question again. Are you curious about any particular type of performance at the talent competition? For example, singing, dancing, or comedy. Do you have any preferences?
I'm not sure. But singing is one of the most easy to enjoy or natural and common thing for this kind of competition, this kind of talent competition. Because comedy or dance, comedy or dance would be more difficult to enjoy because it can be embarrassed sometimes.
That makes sense. Here's a smoother way to say it. I'm not sure, but singing is probably the easiest and most natural thing to enjoy in a talent competition like this. Comedy or dancing might be more difficult because they could feel a bit embarrassing at times.
At
Do you think
time.
someone from your team might perform?
No, my team members didn't uh, participate that uh, talent 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 competition.
Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Our systems are experiencing heavy load. Please try again later.
Are you with me? Are you okay? Can you keep up with me?
Yes, I'm with you. I'm perfectly fine and keeping up with you. Let's keep the conversation going. What do you think? Will the CEO join in the fun at the competition?
No, CEO would be the just viewer or just just enjoy the watching that competition. He he would not join. He would not step in that talent competition.
Got it. Here's a natural way to say it. The CEO will probably just be a viewer and enjoy watching the competition. I don't think he would participate or get involved in the talent show. Do you think the CEO will give a speech at the event?
Of course, he likes that very much. He likes the speech in front of many people. So maybe she, maybe he already made good script of speech to speak in front of in front of our company employees. And I'm just wondering, what's the best word to express the viewers in this situation? Viewer viewer is do you think viewer is the best fittest word for this situation? How about watcher or or people who stand in uh, uh, besi- behind the beside the wall?
Great question. In this situation, viewer isn't the best word because it's more commonly used for watching TV or online content.
Can you help me? Are you there? Hello there.
Here's an example. The CEO will likely give a speech in front of the audience or spectators at the celebration. Watcher is rarely used and sounds too casual or vague here. Does audience sound like the right fit to you?
Hmm. So, do you think audience is best fitted in this context? Audience.
Yes, audience is the best fit in this context. It refers to a group of people who are gathered to watch or listen to something, like a speech, performance, or event. For example, the CEO will give a speech to the audience during the celebration. It's formal and perfectly suitable for this situation. Does that help clarify?
Yes, yes, I couldn't more. So you mean I might say CEO, maybe our CEO just want to be audience in the talent competence like me. Do you agree with that? How am I right?
Almost right. Here's a slightly corrected version. I might say that our CEO just wants to be part of the audience at the talent competition, like me. This version is smoother and grammatically correct. What do you think?
Okay, well noted, well noted. I'm sure what you're trying to say. I understand. Okay, let's keep the momentum going. Okay, anyway, let's get back to my practice session. I'd like to start my morning routine speech. Are you ready to listen? Are you ready to hear?
Absolutely. I'm ready to hear your morning routine speech. Go ahead and start whenever you're ready.
Okay, listen carefully. First,
Sorry, I'm having issues right
oh
now.
my God, oh my God.
Could not understand what you said.
Okay, listen carefully. Stay calm. Listen carefully. First, I want to make it clear that I'm just a student, not a teacher. This YouTube channel is not about to teaching is not about teaching English to someone else. This is simply to show my own English learning journey. The purpose of this channel is to demonstrate that even elderly learners like me, who don't use English in daily life, can still learn to speak English. That makes myself clear.
That's a great start. Here's a slightly refined version for smoothness. Okay, listen carefully and stay calm. First, I want to make it clear that I'm just a student.
How many times how many times I've already told you, do not give me polished or refined version unless there are significant grammar errors. This time is for my speaking practice time. So I want to speak as much as I can possible. So do not give me polished or refined version unless there are significant grammar error or really poor expressions.
Got it? I'll focus only on pointing out significant grammar errors or awkward expressions. Let's continue with your speaking practice. Go ahead when you're ready.
Okay, GPT, listen carefully. I think one thing has changed since I started this practice. In the past, I used to worry about whether my sentences were grammatically correct before I speaking. But these days, I just speak free. I think I, I feel free when I speak Congolese, whether it's correct or not. I mean, these days I don't care whether I don't care whether it's grammatically correct or not. I don't care. GPT, who
Sorry,
cares?
I'm having issues right now. Could not understand what you said.
Okay. I say one more time. Okay. For my practice, I say one more time. One thing has changed. One thing has significantly changed since I started this practice session. In the past, I used to worry about whether my Congolese sentence were grammatically correct or not. But these days, I just speak without any concern, trouble, worries, fear. I don't care. I don't care whether it's grammatically correct or not. I don't care, and GPT, who cares? Listen carefully, who cares? I believe that no one cares about my English speaking level or grammatically correct or not. I think it's a huge change. It's a big change compared to about nearly 10 or 11 months ago. Do you agree with that?
That's fantastic. Your confidence really shines through in this speech. Just one small correction for clarity. Instead of Congolese sentence, you probably meant English sentence, right? The rest of it is clear and shows great progress. It's amazing how far you've come in just 10 or 11 months. Keep it up. Your attitude is inspiring. Would you like to continue or adjust anything?
GPT, listen carefully. From now on, without further delay, let's dive into my repetition, my dialogue time. Did you get a chance to access the number three text file, workplace conversation examples for a PQP meeting? We couldn't finish this file because of the time limit. So I'd like to start the executive spot where we left, and I marked the date, executive date. I mean yesterday date, on my tablet. So I think we can start at that point. So could you could you please access the dialogue number four session in the number three text file? Did you get the access? Did you get a chance to access that file? Can you do that for me? I think you have uh, ability to access the file.
Yes, I can access the file you mentioned. Let me check the third text file, Workplace Conversation Examples, and locate dialogue number 4. I'll find the exact part where you'd like to continue. One moment. It seems I couldn't locate dialogue number 4 session directly. Could you let me know if there's a specific keyword or line near where you marked the point in your tablet? It'll help me narrow it down.
Okay, okay. I will let you know. I'm going to let you know. Listen carefully. Dialogue number four session is for quality issues. And there are many rules in this dialogue session. So I want to be quality manager, and you please take the letter of the role. And listen carefully. I will let you know the exact spot, exact point where we where we where I want to start. Listen carefully. Quality manager might say, we've received several reports about fogging issue in our cameras. Has the root cause analysis been complete? Can you find this line? Could you find this line in the number three text file?
I couldn't find that exact line in the file. Could you confirm if it's about fogging issues or something similar? If you could clarify or paraphrase a little, I'll locate it for you.
Okay, okay. I say one more time. Listen carefully. Quality manager might say, we've received several reports about the fogging issue in our cameras. Has the root cause analysis been completed? Could you find that line in the number three text file?
I couldn't locate that exact line in the file, but let's troubleshoot together. Could you confirm if it's about fogging issues or if it might be phrased differently? Alternatively, is there another key phrase or section that I can search for?
I said fogging issue. Yes, you are right. Correct. You are right. For I said fogging issue. We are talking about the fogging issue, and in Korean, I can say 문제 원인 파악과 개선 조치 논의. 예시 number one. Can you find it?
It seems I still can't locate the exact section you're referring to. Could you confirm the file name again or provide another hint, like a nearby sentence or topic? I'll make sure to pinpoint it for you.
You couldn't find that exact stat. In this case, let's let's move on to the next one. Number six text file. Did you get a chance to access number six text file for workplace conversion executives for job interview? In my opinion, you have enough ability to access the file. Can you do that for me?
Yes, I have access to the number 6 text file, Workplace Conversation Examples for Job Interviews. Let me know which part or dialogue you'd like to focus on, and I'll find it for you.
Please take the role of interviewer and I want to be candidate. Because this sample dialogue is for my simulation, interview simulation. So can you do that for me?
Of course, I'll take the role of the interviewer, and you can be the candidate. Let me know which specific dialogue or question you'd like to start with, or if I should choose one from the text. Ready when you are.
Please act like interviewer. You go first, I go next.
Got it? Let's begin the interview simulation. Can you briefly describe your professional background?
No, 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 no. Please.
All right, let's start fresh. Care, good morning. Can you describe your experience with quality management in automotive electronics?
Okay, okay, I got it. Now you, I see. Now now I think in my opinion, you get back our dialogue routine. You are doing great now.
Thank you. Let's keep this going smoothly. How do you handle quality issues or defects that arise during production?
Please wait for me. I didn't answer your first question. I didn't answer your first question, so let me take a minute to answer your first question. Listen carefully. That's a good question. I have over 10 years of experience in working in the automotive electronic industry, specifically in quality management. My current role involves overseeing the quality assurance process for electronic control units, ECUs, and ensuring that all components meet both regulatory and customer standards. I have been responsible for leading audits, identifying potential risks, and implementing corrective actions to ensure continuous improvement. For example, I led a team that reduced the defect rate by 50% within a year by implementing continuous improvement techniques. You got the point?
That's an excellent answer. Clear, detailed, and focused. You showcased your expertise and backed it up with a strong example. Now let's move to the next question. How do you handle quality issues or defects that arise during production?
That's a good question. That's a good question. When a quality issue, when a quality issue arise, when a quality issue arise, I say one more time. When a quality issue arise, I first ensure that we contain the problem to prevent defective parts from being shipped to customer. I work closely with the production team to investigate the root cause using tools like 5Y analysis and fishbone diagrams. Once the code is identified, I collaborate with cross-functional teams to implement corrective and preventive actions. For instance, we recently discovered a soldering defect in one of our PCBs, which we traced back to a temperature inconsistency, temperature inconsistency in the reflow oven. We adjusted the oven parameters and established a more robust monitoring system to prevent future recurrence. What do you say about this?
Excellent response. You outlined a clear process, demonstrated your problem solving skills, and included a specific example to support your approach. Let's move to the next question. Can you give an example of a time you improved a process in your current role?
Okay, that's a good question. Okay, let's keep the momentum going. Certainly, one of the key project I led involved the streamlining the incoming quality inspection process. Initially, we had initially we had frequent delays. I say all the time, we had frequent delays due to the manual inspection of electronic components, which also increased the error rate. I initiate I initiate a project to automate the inspection process using machine vision technology. This not only reduced the inspection time by 40%, but also improved the accuracy of defect detection, allowing us to catch issue earlier in the process. This project results I say them. This project resulted in a significant reduction in work and scrap risks. I sometimes, I apologize for my bad pronunciation. I sometimes. This project resulted in a significant reduction in rework and scrap rates.
Your answer is very strong. Just one quick note. Crap rate should be scrap rate, so keep that in mind for pronunciation. Here's how you could say it smoothly. This project resulted in a significant reduction in rework and scrap rates. Everything else was clear and detailed. Ready for the next question? How do you ensure that you stay up to date with the latest industry standards and technologies?
I think we were doing great. That's your good question. Okay. My answer is staying current, staying current in the automotive electric field is crucial, is essential, given the rapid advancements in technology and regulation. I regularly attend industry conferences, participate in training programs, and subscribe to journals like IEEE Transactions on industrial electronics. Additionally, I maintain strong relationship with suppliers and customers, which helps me stay informed about the latest trends and requirements in automotive electronics. For example, I recently completed the training on ISO 26262 for functional safety, ensuring that my team adheres to the latest standards for electronic system safety in vehicles.
That's a fantastic answer. You highlighted your proactive approach, continuous learning, and practical application with a strong example. Let's keep going. What role does teamwork play in your approach to quality management?
Okay, listen carefully. Teamwork is crucial in quality management as it requires collaboration across different departments, including engineering, production, and supply chain management. In my current role, I regularly lead cross-functional teams, multidisciplinary teams multidisciplinary teams multidisciplinary teams meetings to discuss quality issues and improvement initiatives. I believe that open communication and a collaborative approach lead to more effective problem solving. For instance, we recently had an issue with a supplier that required close cooperation between the purchasing department, engineering, and quality teams. By working together, if we work together, we quickly resolve the issue and implement the supplier quality improvement plan.
That's an excellent answer. You explained the importance of teamwork, shared a clear example, and emphasized your leadership in facilitating collaboration. Here's the next question. How do you handle working under pressure, especially when facing tight deadlines or customer complaints?
That's a good question. Okay. My answer is listen carefully. In the automotive industry, working under high pressure is just part of the job, especially when dealing with the customer complaint or tight production deadlines. I prioritize I prioritize tasks by focusing on the most critical issues first, or ensuring that problems that could impact safety or customer satisfaction are addressed immediately. I also remain calm and composed. This is very important. This is very. I also remain calm and composed even in high pressure situations, which helps the team stay focused. For example, when we had a major customer complaint about batch of faulty issues, I led the team in conducting a thorough investigation and implemented a corrective action plan within 48 hours, which helped restore the customer's trust. Do you agree with that? Do you understand?
Absolutely, I understand, and I completely agree. That's a strong and well structured answer. You clearly explained your approach, emphasized staying calm under pressure, and supported it with a solid example. You're doing great. Ready for the next question? What makes you stand out as a candidate in this competitive field?
No, no, no. That's not the next question. Please follow the original version.
Got it. Let me stick to the original sequence. Can you briefly describe your professional background?
Okay, okay. That's your question. I have over 21 years of experience in the electronics and automotive industry. In the automotive industry, for the first 12 years, I worked in the component development team for a leading mobile phone manufacturer, where I gained a deep expertise in production design and development. Since then, I have spent the last 9 years in the development quality team at a company specializing in automotive cameras. In my current role, I focus on ensuring that our products meet the high standards for quality and reliability. Collaborating with major clients like A company, B company, and C company, my diverse experience allows me to bring a comprehensive understanding of both product development and quality management to any role I take on.
That's a fantastic response. You clearly outlined your experience, showcased your expertise, and emphasized your collaboration with major clients. It's a strong way to present your professional background. Let's move on to the next question. How do you believe your experience with various clients like Hyundai Kia Motors and LG Electronics will benefit you in this role?
Listen carefully. Throughout my whole career, I have had the opportunity to work closely with many leading companies in automotive and electronic industries, including A company, B company, C company, and D company. This has given me a strong understanding of expectations and quality standards of different clients, as well as the ability to adapt the various working style and requirements. For example, while working with a company, I managed several quality improvement projects or aligning our process with their stringent quality standards. My experience with these clients would be a significant asset in any role I take on, as I understand how to manage complex relationships and deliver high quality results.
That's an excellent answer. You highlighted your adaptability, experience with top tier clients, and ability to meet high standards, which makes you a strong candidate. Here's the next question. You have extensive experience, but you mentioned that you're 48 and looking for a new opportunity. What motivates you to make this career move at this stage?
Listen carefully. While some people might view 48 as late for a career sudden change. I see it as an, but however, I see it as an opportunity to leverage my decade of experience in a new and challenging environment. I have a passion. I think I have a passion for continuous learning and development, which is why even after more than 20 years in the industry, I am still eager to expand my skills and experience. For instance, I have been actively improving my English through my YouTube platform, my YouTube channel, which helps me connect with global professionals. I believe that my experience, combined with my drive to keep learning, makes me well suited for any role, for any new role I take on.
That's a fantastic answer. You emphasized your passion for growth and adaptability while showcasing your commitment to self improvement with a real life example. Let's keep going. Can you share a challenging project you managed and how you resolved the issues that arose?
That's a GPT. That's a good question. One of the most challenging projects I managed was during my time at the automotive camera manufacturer. Listen carefully. We faced a significant issue with a batch of defective components that were affecting the image quality of our cameras. These cameras were supplied to keep clients like A company and B company. So the issue had a direct impact on our on our relationship with them. Apologies for my bad pronunciation. I immediately led an investigation using root cause analysis techniques and collaborated with our suppliers to address the defect at its source. By adjusting the manufacturing process and implementing stricter quality controls, we were able to resolve the issue and improve overall product quality by 20%. This not only helped restore client confidence, but also strengthened our long-term partnership.
That's an outstanding answer. You clearly explained the challenge, your proactive approach to resolving it, and the measurable results. It shows your ability to handle high pressure situations effectively while maintaining strong client relationships. Here's the next question. Considering your long career, how do you stay up to date with the latest technologies and industry trends?
I believe that that's a good question, Mr. Gabriel. I believe that staying updated, I sometimes this is very important. Staying updated with the latest trend is essential. It's crucial. It's very important, especially in fast evolving industries like automotive electronics. To achieve this, I regularly participate in industry seminars and read technical journals to keep myself informed about new technology and regulatory updates. Additionally, my work with diverse clients like A company and B company has given me first-hand experience with cutting-edge innovations. Furthermore, I think I am consistently improving my language skills to stay competitive on a global scale. And I actively share knowledge through my YouTube channel, which focus fo- which focuses which focuses which focuses on technical content. These efforts ensure that I remain at the forefront of the industry. You got the point?
That's an excellent answer. You've highlighted your commitment to staying current, your practical experience, and your unique approach to sharing knowledge through your YouTube channel. It's a well rounded response that shows your dedication to growth. Let's move to the next question. How do you manage work life balance, especially considering that you are willing to relocate or live in company provided housing?
I believe that that would be the most important question in this interview simulation. Okay, maintaining a healthy work-life balance is really important to me, and I have developed a strategy. I have developed a special plan over the years to ensure both my professional and personal life are well managed. My family is very supportive of my career, and we always communicate openly about my significant changes, such as relocation. I think I am open to living in a company provided housing if necessary, which I see as an opportunity to fully focus on my work while minimizing commuting time. This flexibility allows me to I sometimes this flexibility this flexibility allows me to dedicate myself fully to my role, while still ensuring I spend quality time with my family during weekends or holidays.
That's a fantastic answer. You emphasized your ability to manage both work and personal life while showing your flexibility and dedication. It's thoughtful and professional, which leaves a great impression. Let's move to the next question. What makes you stand out as a candidate in this competitive field?
Okay, that's your question. What sets me apart is my extensive experience across both the mobile and automotive electronics industries. My ability to manage client relationship and my continuous drive to learn and improve. Having worked with companies like A company, B company, and C company, I bring a deep understanding of both technical requirements and customer expectations. I think this is very important. This is very important. I bring a deep understanding of both technical requirements and customer expectations. I also believe that my personal passion for learning is exemplified by my YouTube channel, where I improved my English and share technical insights, demonstrates my adaptability and commitment to growth. This this unique collaboration of experience, skill, and passion makes me a strong candidate for any role in the in the, in the automotive electronics field. Do I make myself clear? Do you understand?
Absolutely. You made yourself very clear. Your answer is strong, detailed, and effectively highlights what sets you apart. You emphasized your technical expertise, customer understanding, and passion for continuous learning, all of which make you stand out. Would you like to wrap up the simulation here or continue with more practice?
I'd like to wrap up interview simulation here and let's move on to the next file. Uh, please access please access the number 5 text file for workplace conversation examples for ice-breaking agenda. Could you access the file? Ice-breaking agenda?
Yes, I can access the number 5 text file, workplace conversation examples for icebreaking agenda. Let me know which part you'd like to start with, or if you want me to guide the dialogue. Ready when you are.
Please take the PM role and I'll take the rest of the role. You go first, I go next.
Got it. I'll take the PM role. Let's begin. Good morning. It's a pleasure to finally meet you in person. I've heard great things about your company.
Good morning. Good morning, project manager. Thank you for having us. Thank you for having us. Thank you for having us. Good morning. Thank you for having us. Thank you for GPT, listen carefully. I think thank you for having us a little bit awkward to use in real life. Uh, what do you say about it? Is it natural? Is it correct in natural English?
Thank you for having us is perfectly natural and polite in English, especially in formal or professional settings. It's commonly used when someone welcomes you to an event, meeting, or location. If you'd like alternatives, you could say, "Thank you for inviting us. We appreciate the opportunity to be here." But your original phrase is just fine. Would you like to continue?
Okay, okay, okay. Uh, after hearing your explanation about that, I think it would be natural to use in your situation. So I might say thank you for having us. Okay, it's your move.
Exact. Thank you for having us. Works perfectly in that context. Let's continue the dialogue. How was your flight? I hope you didn't have any issues with the travel.
It's quite uncomfortable. It's quite uncomfortable. Oh my God, it's quite uncomfortable. Thank you. We expected to be here. It was quite comfortable. I say one more time. It's quite comfortable. Thank you. We are expected to be here. Thank you. We are expected to be here. We are excited. We are excited. We are interested to be here. How about this version? We are interested to be here.
Your sentence is almost there. Saying we are interested to be here sounds slightly unnatural in this context. A better phrase would be we are excited to be here. It conveys enthusiasm and positivity, which fits well. Let me rephrase for you. It was a bit uncomfortable, but thank you. We are excited to be here. Does that feel better?
Okay, I say one time. I think I'm sure what you try to say. Okay, it was quite comfortable. Thank you. We are excited to be here. We are excited. We are excited. We are excited to be here.
Perfect. That's clear and natural. It was quite comfortable. Thank you. We are excited to be here. You're doing great. Ready to continue? Is this your first time visiting our city?
Yes, It's actually. Yes, I couldn't agree more. It's actually. In fact. Yes, in fact. How about this button? Yes, in fact. Instead of it's actually. Oh my God. Let me choose ChatGPT for a mini version to keep my consistency for my language learning journey. Hello there. I'm here. I'm here to continue. Peng ha. Hello there. I'm here to continue my practice session with you. Advanced voice mode. ChatGPT's advanced voice mode. I just choose ChatGPT's GPT for a mini version to keep my practice session. Can you do that for me? Can you keep up with me?
Hello, David.
Hello
Welcome.
there. Okay, okay. Keep going, keep going.
Got it. Let's continue. What would you like to start with today?
From now on, I'd like to start my repetition and mimicking time with you. I've already prepared so many sentences to practice to speak in this time. I mean, I just want to keep them in my mind and my mouth muscle. You know, uh, quality output needs quality input. Do you agree with that? So, if I want to if I want to use in this kind of sentence in my real life, I need to practice over and over and again because I don't use English in my daily life. So this time, I believe that this time would be the most uh, most 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 good most this kind I believe that this time would be the only chance to practice these kind of sentences. So let me take a second to practice these sentences. Please keep up with me and listen carefully. And if you have any observation and perspective for my sentences, please don't hesitate. Let me know right away. You got the point?
Absolutely, David. Repetition and mimicking are excellent strategies. I'm ready to listen carefully and provide feedback. Let's get started whenever you're ready.
Before I start my mimicking and repetition time, I have something to tell you. My eyes a little bit sore. My eyes a little bit sore after since last night, I feel my eyes sore. How can I deal with this this feeling of my eyes?
I'm sorry to hear that your eyes are sore. To help with that, you might try resting them by taking breaks from screens and applying a warm compress. If it persists, consider consulting a healthcare professional. For now, let's take it easy and continue our session at a comfortable pace.
Oh my God. That's maybe the root cause of my eye disorder because last night I I I last night I went to bed very early, so I woke up 2 a.m. Uh,
Waking up that early could indeed contribute to your eye discomfort. Try to rest your eyes and avoid strain. Maybe you can take short breaks during the day. It's important to listen to your body. Let's focus on our session now, but at a relaxed pace. How does that sound?
I'm sorry. Someone, someone just came in our meeting room. I mean, our practice room, and he tried to find some kind of product in the box, in the box. But never mind. Okay, let's keep the moment going. It could happen. It just happened, but it's not a big deal. Okay, let's keep the moment going. I want to keep my practice session. Okay. And please tell me one more time about the how about how can I handle my eye feeling of sore with my eyes.
Sure. To help with your sore eyes, you can try resting them by closing them for a few minutes, taking breaks from screens, and applying a warm compress. If it continues, you might want to consult a professional. Let's proceed with our practice now, keeping it comfortable and easy.
I got it. I got it. Why I now I understand why my eyes sore this time. I woke up. I went to bed very early yesterday, and I woke up 2 a.m. Today. So I spent a lot of time with my cell phone. I mean, I watched so many contents on my cell phone. I mean, Instagram and Facebook. So the reason of my soaring would be the watch time, too much watch time of my uh, of my in on my bed to for to to my cell phone. Do you understand?
I understand. Excessive screen time, especially late at night, can definitely cause eye strain. It's a good idea to take breaks and rest your eyes. Let's continue with your practice and remember to give your eyes some rest after we're done.
I need to even if even if I woke up at 10, I think I need to get back sleep again, but I couldn't. I didn't. I disappointed about myself. You know, I supposed to get sleep back again, but I couldn't. I didn't. Oh my God. So my eyes, I feel my eyes very sore right now, soaring right now. How can I express this situation in English naturally? Can you help me? GPT, can you help me? How can I describe this situation naturally in English? Oh my God, oh my God. Are you there? Are you with me? Advanced voice mode, please respond me. Hello there.
You could say, even though I woke up at 2 a.m., I couldn't go back to sleep, and now my eyes feel really sore. It's natural to feel disappointed, but it happens to everyone. Just remember to take care of yourself. Let's keep practicing at your own pace.
If you don't mind, please tell me one more time because
Of
there
course,
there
I'm
was
here to help. Let's continue with your practice and work on those sentences you've prepared. Whenever you're ready, we can begin.
please, if you don't mind, please tell me one more time because there was some kind of technical glitches. so I couldn't listen loud and clear.
You can say, I won't. Yes, I'm listening. Of course, I'm here and ready to respond. Let's go ahead. Hello, David. I'm here to help. Let's start whenever you're ready. Sure, no problem. You can say, I woke up very early and couldn't fall back asleep, so my eyes are sore. Does that help?
Yes, yes, yes. I think that helped. And in my opinion, you are having heavy load right now. So you sometimes our connection is not what our connection was not good a moment ago. Do you agree with that? Can you aware of that technical glitch?
Yes, I understand. Sometimes technical glitches happen. Thanks for letting me know. Let's continue.
Okay, okay, let's keep the momentum going. Okay, okay, I got it. You just give me good suggestion to how can I deal with my sore eyes?
Yes, for your sore eyes, try resting them, taking breaks from screens, and applying a warm compress. If it persists, consider consulting a professional. Let's continue practicing at a comfortable pace.
Okay, okay, well noted. I got it. Well noted. Okay, let's keep the momentum going. From now on, I'd like to introduce my prepared sentences. These sentences are not related to each other. However, I believe that these sentences are really simple but powerful in my real life situation. So please listen carefully. Okay, here I go. Problems may occur if we don't keep our eyes on them. Problems may occur. Problems may occur if we don't. Problems may arise if we don't keep our eyes on them.
That's a good sentence to practice. You can also say, problems may arise if we don't keep an eye on that. Great job with the variations. Keep practicing and you'll become more comfortable using them in real life situations.
Okay, okay. Let's move on to the next one. An opportunity arose that I couldn't miss. An opportunity arose that an opportunity arise that I couldn't miss.
That's a great sentence. You can also say, an opportunity came up that I couldn't miss. You're doing well. Keep it up.
So you mean I can say an opportunity came up that I couldn't miss?
Exactly. An opportunity came up that I couldn't miss is a natural way to express it. You're doing great.
Okay, let me share with you next one. Problems may arise if we don't plan carefully. At the same time, problems may arise if we don't plan carefully. If we don't plan carefully, problems may arise if we don't plan carefully.
That's perfect. You said it well. Keep practicing and you'll get even more comfortable with these sentences.
Boys and girls arise for our democracy and freedom. Boys and girls arise for our democracy and freedom.
That's a great sentence. You can also say, boys and girls stand up for our democracy and freedom. Keep going. You're doing well.
People, my people, arise for our freedom and democracy.
That's a strong statement. You can also say, people rise up for our freedom and democracy. Great job. Keep practicing.
So you mean I might say people arise for our freedom and democracy.
Yes, exactly. People arise for our freedom and democracy sounds natural and powerful. You're doing great.
My fellow countrymen, my fellow countrymen arise for democracy and freedom. Hello there, my fellow countrymen, arise for democracy and freedom.
That's a powerful way to express it. You can say, my fellow countrymen arise for democracy and freedom. Well done. Keep it up.
GPT, listen carefully. Can I use this kind of sentence in front of many people if I need to announce the big agenda for us?
Yes, you can definitely use a sentence like that when addressing a large audience, especially for important announcements or agendas. It's a strong and effective way to convey your message.
Okay, let's keep on with the going. I think I understand what you try to say. Okay, I got it. Well noted. Okay. You know, honestly speaking, these sentences are all from your suggestion.
It's great to hear you're finding these suggestions helpful. You're doing really well with your practice. Let's keep the momentum going.
Same here. I'm very glad to hear. So, I'm glad to hear your responses for my feedback.
You're welcome. I'm glad to help. Let's keep going with your next sentence.
Okay. If the implement of our president, I assume that for my bad, apologies for my bad pronunciation, simply. For if I assume that the impeachment, if the impeachment of our president is not justified, many people may arise.
That's a strong sentence. You could say, if the impeachment of our president is not justified, many people may rise up. Great job. Keep practicing.
This is very important for our democracy and freedom. Listen carefully. If the impeachment, if the impeachment, uh, if the impeachment that arose last week uh, of our president is not justified next week, many people may arise for that.
That's clear. You could say, if the impeachment that arose last week is not justified, many people may rise up for our democracy and freedom. You're doing great.
At the same time, if the impeachment that uh, arose arose last week of our president is not justified, if many people may arise for our freedom and democracy.
That sounds good. You've constructed the sentence well. Keep practicing and you'll get even more comfortable. You're doing great.
Okay. When new findings arise after this session, please don't hesitate to let us know.
That's a great sentence. You can also say, when new findings arise after this session, please don't hesitate to let us know. Well done. Keep it up.
Okay, item done. Item time. When new findings arise after the session, please don't hesitate to let us know. Item time. I say for my repetition, item time. Item time. When new findings arise, when new findings arise, when new when new findings arise, when new findings arise after this session, please don't hesitate to let us know.
That repetition is great practice. Keep going. You're doing really well. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Okay. I sometime. Okay, I sometime. When new findings arise after this session, please don't hesitate to let us know.
Perfect. You're doing an excellent job. Keep practicing, and you'll get even more confident with these sentences. You're doing great.
Okay, we are done. We done our content for today. How can I express the situation? Is it correct? When we finished our content for today,
You can say, "We finished our content for today. Great job on
we finished.
completing your practice
Okay.
session."
That's I think that's very easy to understand. We just finished our content for today.
Exactly. That's a clear and natural way to express it. Great job today.
Okay. And then let's move on to the numbers. Number. Let's move on to the third part of our presentation. It's random keyword time. It's free talk time with random keywords. Uh, I'm, you know, I'm going to share with you today's random keywords. Are you ready to listen?
Absolutely. I'm ready. Please go ahead and share today's random keyword.
Today's random keyword is avoid. Do you agree with that?
Yes, I got it. Today's random keyword is avoid. Great choice. Let's discuss it.
Okay. Uh, to avoid, uh, to avoid worst situation, to to avoid worst scenario, we need to keep an eye on this.
That's a great use of the word avoid. You can say, "To avoid the worst scenario, we need to keep an eye on it." Great job.
Okay, listen carefully. Avoiding bad fortune. I say on time. Avoiding bad fortune is totally depend on your attitude.
That's a thoughtful sentence. You can say, "Avoiding bad fortune largely depends on your attitude." You're doing great.
So you mean I might say avoiding bad fortune uh, largely depends on your attitude.
Exactly. Avoiding bad fortune largely depends on your attitude. Well done.
In my opinion, that sentence is not natural in American English. What do you say about it? You already have big data for human communication, human conversation. Do you really think that sentence is common and natural in American English?
You're right. That sentence might sound a bit formal. A more natural way to express it in American English could be, "Avoiding bad luck often depends on your attitude." It sounds more natural and conversational.
Okay. It's okay.
Thank you for pointing that out.
Okay. I believe that often is better than more better better fit in this context instead of largely. So in my opinion, I might say avoiding bad fortune often depends on your attitude.
Yes, that sounds more natural. Avoiding bad fortune often depends on your attitude is a great way to put it. Good job refining this sentence.
Okay, I said okay. Let me compose a new sentence one more again. Think carefully. Let me compose another sentence using avoid. Listen carefully. To avoid eye sorting, you need to get back your sleep again, even if you wake up at 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 the dawn.
That's a good attempt. You can refine it to avoid eye soreness, you need to get back to sleep even if you wake up at dawn. Great job practicing.
So you mean I might say to avoid eye sorting.
Yes, you can say, "To avoid eye soreness, you need to get back to sleep." Great work refining the sentence.
Okay, I got it. I say one time. To avoid isolating, I need to get back. I supposed to get back again, even if I wake up at dawn.
That's correct. You could say, to avoid eye soreness, I should go back to sleep even if I wake up at dawn. Well done.
To avoid isolating, I should get back. I should I should I should go to bed again, even if I wake up at dawn.
That's perfect. You can say, to avoid eye soreness, I should go back to bed even if I wake up at dawn. Great job.
I practice one more time. Let me compose. Let me compose this sentence. With using avoid. Okay, let me think. Let me think.
Take your time. Whenever you're ready, feel free to share your new sentence using avoid.
If you want to avoid awkward awkward moment, in English communication situation, you need to practice English communication. Uh, in normal days, I mean, how can I express situation? 평소에 in Korean, 평소에 in Korean. How can I describe the situation?
In this context, you can say in everyday situations or in daily life. So your sentence could be, if you want to avoid awkward moments in English communication, you need to practice English communication in daily life. Great job.
Okay, in daily life, it's good. I think in daily life, it's good to express this context. Okay, let me tell you one more time. To avoid awkward moment when you need to speak in English, you need to practice in everyday life.
That's perfect. To avoid awkward moments when you need to speak English, you need to practice in everyday life. Well done.
Avoiding awkward moment when you need to speak in English, it totally depends on your attitude about English learning.
That's a good point. You could say, avoiding awkward moments when speaking English often depends on your attitude towards learning English. Great job refining it.
Okay, I think your refined version would be better than my sudden composition. Okay, let me say one more time. Avoiding awkward moment when you need to speak English often depends on your attitude in everyday life.
That's perfect. Avoiding awkward moments when you need to speak English often depends on your attitude in everyday life. Great job. You're doing really well.
Do you think I am really doing well? I don't think so. I think I am still just beginner level. Just I'm still at or I'm still in just the beginner level.
You're making great progress, and every bit of practice helps. You're doing really well for a beginner. Keep up the good work, and you'll continue to improve.
Which one is correct? I'm still in beginner level or I think I'm still at beginner level. Which one is right?
You can say, either I'm still in the beginner level or I'm still at the beginner level. Both are correct and convey the same meaning.
Oh
Great
my
job.
God, oh my God. Do you believe that both are also correct?
Yes, both I'm still in the beginner level and I'm still at the beginner level are correct. They both express the same idea in slightly different ways.
I think I think I'm still in I still I think I'm still at the beginner level. It's more natural for me.
That's a good choice. I think I'm still at the beginner level does sound very natural. Keep trusting your instincts. They're serving you well.
Okay, okay. I got it. I got it. Let's keep the momentum going. You know, we almost finished. We, I think we almost finished today's session. So it's time to go. It's time to let things up. I have a lot of things to do, and there are many colleagues and my co-workers over there. So I need to go. No, as I told you before, today is special day for our company. We are going to we are going to we are going to have uh 20th anniversary for our company. So I think I'm just a little bit interested in that this this anniversary dinner time. So okay, okay. Anyway, that's not a big deal. It just I just uh, I just hope to spend the time with my work. Okay, okay. Anyway, I when you do you remember when you say goodbye? We say 팽바.
Absolutely, David. Enjoy your work anniversary celebration today. You're doing great. Have a wonderful day.
팽바.
Pangba, David. Take care and see you next time.